So this is me getting ready and packing for my first solo trip to Sierra Leone. A lot of packing, and also shopping. Let's get into it, guys. Welcome to another video, guys. Realistic week in my life. I'll be traveling to Sierra Leone like a solo trip for the first.
So excited
Because it's my first time traveling. It's going to be like, I don't know, but hopefully I want you to be along this journey. So first of all, let's go do some quick shopping. Do some quick. On my way to town.
A few minutes later. 1 hour later.
I'm back, and guess what? I brought a lot of clothes for the trip. See this one. This another one. See the black one. So for now, I'm going to organize my bag. So I'm going to set you guys right here and back with me. Let's get ready for the trip. I have lots of clothes. I don't think I'll just carry all of them because it's just a trip for maybe 4 days or 3 days. So for now, I'm going to organize first this other case. So I'm thinking of carrying this bag to put like few clothes in it, like 3 trousers or maybe 4 trousers, 4 shirts. Yeah, because this one is so heavy. As you can see, it's so heavy and big. So I'm thinking of carrying this one with few clothes. And also I'm going to surprise my brother and sister-in-law with some bracelets and also with some other stuff for my niece and also nephews. Yep. So I'm going to try the trousers I brought today. Finished. I'm so tired. So for this clothes, I'm going to take this one as a charity to give them to people who don't have clothes to wear. So yeah. Good morning, guys. So these are the gifts I'm going to give to my sister-in-law and also my niece and my nephew. So I'm going to give them this earring for my sister-in-law, as you can see. This bracelet. Also, this for my brother. I'm going to surprise my brother with this cap. So actually, I think I need a haircut, like a new look, like a glow up type, because right now I'm so, you know, a little ugly because all my hair is now gone, my beard, and also I'm looking, you know, but I need to look good. Like right now I'm about to head to the barber for a new look. So yeah, let's go. So this is the final look, and I'm back home. So this is the look. The guy really touched my hair, as you can see. I think I'm looking so, you know, so nice, looking good. So actually I got this hair today, a new style, but actually I was wanting to have a style up here, but no way. But at at least this is actually good. Oh, so I'm about to get ready because I have to catch the bus tomorrow at soon. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow on the road. Like and subscribe and watch my next video.